If you want to download Facebook Messenger app in Windows PC, first you need to click this search bar and just type Microsoft Store. Then open this and click this profile icon and sign into your Microsoft account. It may be Outlook, Hotmail, or a Skype account or Xbox account. You just need any one Microsoft account. In case if it doesn't have any Microsoft account, no problem. Just create a new account here. It's completely free. I'm also using the free Microsoft account. Then after you created the account, just click the search bar and just type Messenger. Search. Yeah, here you can see Messenger. It's completely free. Just open that, and here you can see it's Meta. It's official. Now just click get. So now you can see it's installing the Messenger app. Okay, it's done. Now just click open. For me it's already signed in because I'm using Facebook app. So just click continue. If it shows you just sign into a Facebook app, then Messenger will be open like this. And here you can see create desktop shortcut. Just click that and hello. So that's it. Your Messenger app was installed. And let's see, I just minimize this. Yeah, here you can see the Messenger. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about these topics, watch this video.